we use the to combine verb and complement. If the verb words are verb and object to combine together, we need to repeat the verb and then the complement. Do you remember this sentence? 他做饭做得很好。And do you remember we learned topic sentence? How to form a topic sentence? Do you remember? We move the object of the verb to the very beginning of the sentence to form a topic sentence. This we move the very beginning. 饭他做得很好。We move the object to the very beginning, form a topic sentence. So this 饭 to be a topic. And here, this topic means what he does very well is fun. We emphasize the fun is what he does well. Emphasize. And here, 饭他做得很好。We can move this subject before the topic to tell the listener the statement after the subject all related to the subject. I talk about this subject. So, 他饭做得很好。他 is the bigger and I talk about him and I emphasize what he does well is fun. Fun. 他做得很好。他饭做得很好。他饭做得很好。我妹妹中文说得很不错。In this type of sentence, we combine the and the topic sentence together. 你哥哥书看得快不快？你哥哥书看得快不快？他书看得很快。他书看得很快。他网球打得怎么样？他网球打得怎么样？他网球打得不错。他网球打得不错。 你们饭吃的多不多？你们饭吃的多不多？我饭吃的不多。我饭吃的不多。他吃的很多。他吃的很多。Here we combine two grammars together. One is the and one is topic sentence. See you. Bye.